I trade on value. I'm giving you a massively better long-term solution for a great price, and I'm going to do this for the next 50 to 100 years with you. Take the stupid out of solar and replace it with robotics, smart manufactured systems, pre-manufactured systems where it's just plug and play.